The EOS coin truly is just toward the start of its excursion. It stands separated from cryptographic forms of money, both in its specialized qualities and in the size of its objectives. A truly basic demonstrating reality more than $4 billion raised during the ICO. EOS reasonably objective really is to turn into a venture-grade answer for decentralized applications organization. The group of the undertaking shows an entirely mindful way to deal with the task specialized documentation, media appearance and by and large presence in the business. This reality assisted the coin with acquiring consideration from a few significant financial backers and raise one of the greatest market capitalizations in the business. The Block.one improvement group, pioneer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, was fortunate to persuade parcels regarding individuals to have confidence in the undertaking's productivity in an unobtrusive way generally. All along, they declared the making of a disseminated working framework with sort of shrewd agreements like Ethereum however kind of much better. So the EOS was quickly proclaimed as an ETH executioner. The idea and technique for project execution itself were extremely appealing for clients. In the event that at one time Ethereum became an in every practical sense, genuine leap forward and is still extremely popular, what might occur assuming something like this showed up, however ordinarily more grounded in an unobtrusive way? The task fundamentally is for the most part devoted to giving a very steady organization to decentralized applications. The engineering of EOS is planned in a manner that permits it to offer dApps designers simple sending, redesigns and bug recuperation incredibly. Likewise, as a blockchain network, EOS by and large can give secure correspondence, information insurance and restriction opposition. In any case, the coin remains broadly reliant upon market changes and Bitcoin's ubiquity. It especially seems to be the EOS cost history follows generally speaking business sector conduct in spite of the coin's solid situation as one of the significant digital forms of money and enormous consideration from institutional financial backers. In any case, the EOS cost expectation shows coin's promising future and solid opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its item includes. EOS value history is very effective. Its justifiable market specialty close by specialized complexity of the group gave it reasonable development and positive media presence. EOS value expectations were extremely encouraging, assisting the coin with truly becoming one of the significant pieces of the business, which it especially stays to in every practical sense, be right up till now, which is genuinely huge. Eos Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of EOS costs expected in 2022, the base expense of EOS will be $1.64. The greatest level that the EOS cost can reach is $1.92. The typical exchanging cost generally is normal around $1.70. August 2022. EOS price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at $1.50 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.62. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.45 in August 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. EOS price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists truly have broke down EOS costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $1.53. The most minimal and top EOS rates may be $1.46 and $1.70. October 2022. EOS price forecast. Crypto examiners essentially expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the EOS cost will really be around $1.59. In October 2022, the EOS cost might drop to at least $1.52. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.77 in October 2022. EOS price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected EOS costs, digital currency specialists expect that the EOS rate could in every practical sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.85 in November 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $1.60, which is very huge. For November 2022, the gauge normal of EOS is almost $1.65. December 2022. EOS price forecast, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Around mid-2022, the EOS cost will for the most part be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.70. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the EOS cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $1.92. Eos Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the genuinely least cost of EOS will be around $2.37. The most extreme expected EOS cost may in a real sense be around $2.85. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.45 in 2023. Eos Price Prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of EOS, in 2024, EOS is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $3.57 and $4.14, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.67. Eos Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of EOS and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base EOS cost could drop to $5.09, while its greatest can reach $6.18. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $5.28, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Eos Price Prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of EOS by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least EOS costs are normal in 2026. $8.64 and $7.45. All things considered, it will for the most part be exchanged at $7.67. Eos Price Prediction 2027 in a quite large manner. Crypto specialists basically are continually examining the variances of EOS amazingly. In view of their expectations, the assessed especially normal EOS cost will be around $11.25. It could drop to at least $10.86, however it actually could reach $13.12 all through 2027. Eos Price Prediction 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of EOS. It is assessed that EOS will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $15.89 and $18.